Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to disable comments in TikTok. That is, you have your TikTok account, you can post a video and people can write different comments under it. How to disable this function so that people cannot leave a comment under your video? To do this, you go to the TikTok app. Now we click on our profile. Here we click on the top 3 bars. Then select Setting and Private, and here we select Private and select Comments. Now click here on Comments and choose Friend or No One. If we have Everyone, then everyone can comment on our videos. If we click on Friends, then only friends can comment on our videos. And if No One, then no one can comment on our videos. So choose here what you need. Choose. Click Close, Exit. And that's it. After that, comments will be closed if you have chosen the right item. As you can see, it's a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. Bye.